Hi everyone! Welcome back to Panda Family Travels. Today, we're breaking down exactly how much we spent for 1 week in Taiwan. From hotels, food, MRT, day trips, attractions, SIM cards, and even those small expenses that travelers always forget to include. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or as a family, this video will help you plan your Taiwan budget realistically. So let's begin. Before we break down the expenses, here's a quick overview of our trip. We stayed in Taiwan for 8 days and 7 nights, mostly in Taipei, but we also did side trips to Yehliu, Tamsui, and Beitou. We travel on a mid-range family budget. Not too expensive, not too cheap. Just comfortable and practical. But don't worry, I'll also share budget traveler tips and where you can save money throughout the video. Let's start with flights. Our one-way ticket from Taiwan to Philippines cost around $100 per person, including 20 kg check-in bag. We booked it around 8 weeks before our trip. If you book early or catch promotions, flights can go as low as $80 to $120 round trip, Taiwan to Philippines. This is without check-in bags, especially during seat sales. Regular fares usually range between $170 to $240, depending on your travel dates. So if you're sure of the dates of your travel, better to plan ahead and get tickets for half the price. For accommodation, we stayed in Ueno Hirokoji in Taipei. It's just 5 minutes walk from Ningxia Street. Our room cost $32 per night, which is pretty normal for a clean and comfortable mid-range option of a room having private bathroom. Prices in Taipei vary a lot. Budget hotels or hostels can range from $20 to $25 per night, while nicer hotels are usually around $50 to $100 per night. Our total hotel cost for 8 nights came to $255. Here are some of the tips so you can save for your accommodation. First is book early. Taiwan hotels fill up very fast. Avoid weekends if necessary so you can get a cheaper price. And stay near metro stations. It saves time and money. Now, one of our favorite parts, Taiwanese food. Food in Taiwan is delicious and surprisingly affordable. For breakfast, we usually ate at local shops or convenience stores. A typical breakfast costs us around $1.5 to $3 per meal. For lunch and dinner, we often explored night markets or small restaurants. For street foods, each meal ranged from $1.5 to $3. Regular meals cost around $4 to $6. Bubble teas cost around $2 to $4, and snacks cost around $1 to $2. Our daily food spending averaged about $32. For the entire 7 days, food totaled around $225. Another saving tip: eat at night markets for best food and best prices. For transportation, Taiwan's MRT is one of the best we've tried. It's fast, clean, and very organized. We bought EasyCard for $3 each and top up $12 each on our first day. Throughout the week, we used the MRT and buses for almost everything: food trips, attractions, and day tours. Our total transportation spending came to around $60, approximately for 2. We did not use taxis since the location of our hotel is very easy to reach by bus or train or by walk. It's around 15 minutes walk from MRT and 20 minutes walk from Taipei main station. Saving tip: if you're doing multiple attractions in one day, use Google Map to check the MRT versus taxi. Sometimes taxis are faster and cheaper for groups of 3 to 4. We visited a mix of popular attractions, free destinations, and nature spots. Here's the breakdown. For Taipei 101, we bought simple kaffa takeaway to enter to the 88th floor. It cost around 8 USD per person. For Yehliu Geopark, it cost 4 USD per person. Taipei Zoo, 3.5 US dollar. Maokong Gondola, it cost 10 US dollar for unlimited day pass. Elephant Mountain, free. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, free. Tamsui Day Tour, DIY, it's free. Beitou Day Tour, DIY, it's also free. Our total attractions cost was 25 US dollar per person. Honestly, we love how Taiwan has so many beautiful places that are completely free to explore. For connectivity, we bought a Klook eSIM for around 9 US dollar, unlimited data for 7 days, which had fast 4G all throughout our trip. We spent around 8 US dollar per person for 8 days travel insurance. We also spent a little on souvenirs, around 40 US dollar in total. Now let's add everything up. Our 1 week Taiwan trip cost came to 640 US dollar in total for 2 people. This includes everything: hotel, food, transportation, attraction, SIM card, travel insurance, and other extra expenses, but excluding the flights. Before we end the video, here are a few last-minute tips to help you save money in Taiwan. First is get an EasyCard. It makes travel easier. Second is eat at night markets. They are always affordable and delicious. Third is download Google Maps and Taiwan MRT app. Fourth, bring a reusable water bottle. Taiwan has many refill stations. Even every metro stations, they have it. And the last, book your hotel and tours early, especially on weekends. I hope this full budget breakdown helps you plan your Taiwan trip. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us here at Panda Family Travels for more guides and family adventures. See you in our next video. Ciao!